friends, previously we learned multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, मैं तुमने गई काले शिखवाड्યું. If it is a number multiplication of numbers, then what you have to do? Multiply number as a whole number and write the decimal number, decimal points in both number, and put the decimal point with the total decimal point. For example, here we will start exercise 2.6 and that is related to multiplication of decimal number. First example, question number 1, that is 0.2 multiply 6. मैं तुमने બે રીતે શીખવાડી દઉં. We will solve the method that is simple. 0.2 means it is considered as a 2. 2 6 are 12. Now how many decimal point? અહીંયા decimal point પછી કેટલા digit છે? 1 અને અહીંયા 1 બને. So total is 1. So it is 1.2. Clear? What you have to do? Represent the number as a whole number. 6 2s are 12. Where is the answer? But where will be the decimal point? Count the total decimal number after point. So it is 1. Here 1. And here no decimal point is there. This total is 1. So 1 decimal point. 1 decimal number after the point. Point પછી એક digit આપો જોઈએ. Clear? Or you can write like this. 0.2 means 2 by 10 multiply 6. 6 2s are 12 by 10 is 1. Clear? આ રીતે કરો તો પણ ચાલે. 8 multiply 4.6. What you have to do? For 46 multiply 8. So let's say 46 multiply 8. 368 will be answer. But where will be the decimal point? How many digits are here? Only 1. So decimal point will be here. Clear? Or you can perform this multiplication in this method. આ રીતે કરો તો પણ ચાલે. 8 multiply 46 divide 10, it is 36.8. Now 271 multiply 5, multiply this. 271 multiply 5, it is 1355. Now where will be the decimal point? Decimal point પછી કેટલા digit છે? 2. So in answer it is also 2 digit. Why? Because here no decimal point is there, so total is 2. It is 13.55. Otherwise you can write 271 divide 100 multiply 5. Clear? Now next one, multiply this 201 multiply 4. આવી રીતે પણ કરી શકો તો પણ ચાલે. 1 by 2 points, so it is 80.4. Clear? આ રીતે કરો તો પણ ચાલે. Next, 5 7s are 35. How many decimal? It is 2 digit and here no digits, means total 2. So point will be here. આ રીતે ના કરો ને આ રીતે કરો તો પણ ચાલે. 5 divided by 100 into 7 is 35 by 100. So it is 0.25. Clear? બે માંથી કોઈ પણ એક જ મેથડ પરફોર્મ કરવાની, તમને જે ઈઝી પડે. Now next one, question number 6, 211.02 multiply 4. What we have to do? Perform the normal multiplication. So it is 0 8 4 4 8. And where will be the decimal point? Here 2 digits are there, so after point there must be 2 digits. So it is 844.08. Now next one, 86 is multiplied into. Now how many points? Here 2, here no, so total is 2, 1.72. Otherwise you can write 86 divide 100, multiply 86 with 2. So it is 172, divide 100 will be 1.72. Clear? Now next question, find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Length and breadth is given and what we have to find? Area. What is the equation for an area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is L into B. What is length? It is 5.7. And what is breadth? 3. Multiply 5.7 with 3. Multiplication will be normal. 57 multiply 3. 171. Where will be the decimal point? અહીંયા point પછી કેટલા digit? 1. So 1 centimeter square. Why? Because there is no decimal point in a 3, so you can write 117.1 centimeter square. Clear? Now next one. Find question number 3. Find 1.3 multiply 10. Already I explained whenever it is a multiplication of 10, 100 and 1000, what we have to do? Move the decimal point to the number of 0 on right side. જેટલા પણ 0 હોય એટલા right side પર shift કરવાનો. So move the decimal point to the right side as many number of 0 in a multiplication. So here how many number of zeros are in a multiplication? You can see here 1 0 is multiplication. So it means you need to move decimal point to the right one step. Or you can write like this. તમને જે method easy પડે તમે કરી શકો. So it is 30. Clear? Or you can directly write it is 30. But જો અહીંયાથી એક digit પાછળ આવ્યો તો 3 પછી point આવે, but there is no digit after 3, so you can write it is 30. Clear? Again, what will be the answer? Decimal point 10 in a multiplication means move the decimal point one step to the right. If we move, it will be અહીંયા decimal point આવે, અહીંયા decimal point મૂકવાનો કોઈ meaning નથી. That's why you can write it is 368. Otherwise you can perform this method. So again 153.7 multiply 10. Multiply 10 means move the decimal point one step to the right. It is 1537. Clear? અહીંયાથી step આમ આવે 7 પછી મૂકવાનો કોઈ meaning નથી. That's why it is 1537 will be your answer. Now example માં કઈ મેથડ કરવાની છે તમારા ઉપર છે. તમને જે મેથડ ઈઝી લાગે તમે પરફોર્મ કરી શકો. ઓકે, so here again revise both the method. So question number 4, 168.07 multiply 10. If there are 1 0 in a multiplication, move decimal point one step to the right. Otherwise you can write 168.07. How many points are here? No digits 2, so you can write 100 multiply 10. Clear? So 10 will be cancel 100 લખ્યા કેમ કે point પછી બે digit છે એટલે 10 will be cancel out. So it is 10 in a divided now. So you can write 1680.7. Clear? આના કરવી હોય ડાયરેક્ટ લખવું હોય તો પણ ચાલે. Now next one, 311 divided 10 multiply 100. Why 10? Because there is one digit in a after decimal point. 10 will be cancelled, so it is 3110. 3110. Why? Because 10 is in a multiplication. Clear? Now 156.1 multiply 100. Again 100 multiply એટલે શું કરવાનું? Shift કરવાનું. કેટલા digits? 2 digits. Why? Because there are 2 0 in a multiplication. Means your answer will be 1561. અહીંયા પછી આગળ એક shift કરવાનું. That's why it is 15,610. Clear? Otherwise you can perform this method. Now next one, 2 0 in a multiplication means move the 2 step on right side. So it is 362. Clear? અહીંયાથી બે step એટલે 1 and 2. So it is last. Again 2 step to the right. So it is 4307. Now here one step. Why? Because 10 in a multiplication. So one step move karo to 0 5 or 5. Both are same. 5 loko ke 0 5 loko banne same. Now next one. Again let's perform previous method. 8 by 100. How to multiply 10? Cancel. 8 by 10 means 0.8. If it is 10 in a multiplication, move one step to the right. So 0.8. That will be your answer. Here 9 by 10 multiply 100. Cancel out. So 90 is the answer. Clear? એવું જરૂરી નથી કે મેં આ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં આ કરી છે તો તમારે પણ આ કરવું. તમારે આ મેથડ ઇઝી પડે તો આ મેથડ. 0.03 multiply 1000. So it will be your 3 step to the right. Means answer will be 30. Otherwise you can calculate as a 3 by 100 multiply 1000. Why it is 100? Because 2 digit after decimal point. So 20 will be cancelled out. So answer will be 30. Clear? Now next example 4. A taxi driver covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of will it cover in 10? So we can write in 1 meter 55.3 kilometer. So in 10 meter, how much distance? Cross multiplication, 55.3 is multiplied with 10. So you can write, now 10 in the multiplication means move one step to the right. So it is 553 kilometer in 10 meter of length. Clear? Now question number 5, find multiplication of decimal, that is 2.5 into 0.3. So करवानो 25 multiply 3 ज करवानो. So that is 75. Or you can write like this, 25 divided by 10 multiply 3 by 10. Clear? 25 3s are 75 divided by 100. So it is 0.75. Why? Because 20 in a denominator, so it is 0.75. Otherwise you can find the 25 3s are 75. Okay, now how many digits after points? 1, and here also 1. So total 2 means there must be 2 digits after decimal point. Clear? Now next one. Here how many digits are? Here 1. Point પછી કેટલા digit છે? 1. And here it is also 1. So 1 plus 1 total 2 digit. એટલે answer માં 2 digit decimal point પછી આવવા જોઈએ. So first of all 570 multiply 1 is 570. કોઈ પણ નંબરને 1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો એ જ આવે. Here 1 and 1 total 2 means answer needs to two number after decimal point, so it is 5.70. Otherwise you can perform this method. अभी करो तो पण चाले. Again it is 0.2 multiply 316.8. So करवानो 316.8 multiply 2 करवानो. Normal multiplication. So it is, and for how many digits are there after decimal point? Here 1 and here 1. So total 2 means it is 63.36. આ રીતે એનો ઉપરવાળી મેથડથી કરો તો પણ ચાલે. 2 divided by 10 3168 divided 10. So total 20 means 2 digit after decimal point. Next 30 multiply 31, that we have to perform. So answer will be 403, but there should be a decimal point after 2 digits. Why? Because there is 1 digit here and 1 digit here, total 2. So it is 4.03. Clear? Now 0.5 multiply 0.05. So 5 5 is 25. Normal number multiplication. Now here 1 digit and here 2 digits. So how many total? 3. Means there must be 3 digit after decimal point. So 1 2 3 point and 0. So it is 0.025. આ મેથડ એને ફર્સ્ટ વાળી કરો તો પણ ચાલે. Remaining example question 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will be in your homework. What you have to 11.2 multiply 0.50. Normal multiplication 112 multiply 50. પછી શું કાઉન્ટ કરવાનું? Total decimal point 1 and here 2. Total 3 means decimal point क्या हो જોઈએ? 3 digit from the right. Right થી start કરો ના 3 digit પછી point મૂકવાનું. Here 107 multiply 2 કરવાનું. Count the total 4 and 2 and 2, that is 4 means right side થી પાછળથી 4 digit પછી point મૂકવાનું. Here 1005 અહીંયા શું multiply કરવાનું? 1005 multiply 105. જે આન્સર આવે એમાં total 2 and 2 4 means પાછળથી 4 digit પછી point મૂકવાનું. 1001, so it is 10,101 multiply 1. Whatever answer you get, put the 4 digit from the right decimal point. Here 10,001 multiply 11. Clear? This way you can perform the multiplication of number.